Let's get ready to rumble! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the curly hair main event. This battle will consist of 7 rounds. Let the games begin.
3, 2, 1, go!
On the left, we've got the former undefeated champion, STYLER Gel. And on the right, the viral challenger, Xtreme Gel. Today, I'm testing them on my type 3 hair. For definition, hold, frizz control, crunchy or soft curls, flaking, and honestly, this would have been a fair fight if STYLER Gel hadn't changed their formula. But I've got a trick up my sleeve to even the playing ground. I diluted this particular STYLER Gel with water because this is an old bottle where the hold was still top notch. But the new ones, it's like styling your hair with water. I know you're going to say this is unfair, but it's actually an upper hand for STYLER Gel. Because if I use the new ones, the definition wouldn't even be there on day one. If you've had your curly hair styled for longer than 5 business days, you already know. Gel reviews are emotional. One bad gel can ruin your whole week. And every curly girl and guy has that one gel that either gave perfect curls or made your hair look like crunchy noodles. So today I'm doing a proper side-by-side battle. Same routine, same diffuser, no excuses, 2 products put to the test. Round 1. Let's give a round of applause for STYLER Gel as it enters the arena. This gel raised generations. STYLER walked so curly TikTok could run. I want to show you how good this product and any STYLER Gel, okay, not any STYLER Gel. It was the olive oil, the pink one, and this one, my faves. The others, Oh, argan oil is also another good one. No other product could reach the level of definition that STYLER gave me. STYLER was number 1 on my list from day 1. Now, okay, I'm not going to be biased. Let's continue. Smell test. It smells familiar, like every wash day from 2014. Smells good, that light fragrance. It's time to give a round of applause for Xtreme Gel. This gel came into the curly community like a WWE villain. I didn't even know about this until STYLER dropped for me. I was looking for something else that could reach the same level of definition and hold. And lo and behold, Xtreme Gel came to the surface. This one smells good, but it's a little more fragrance-like. Not strong, slightly stronger than STYLER. To pick one, because both are very good. However, Xtreme Gel just gave me that slight extra edge of fragrance, which I like. It's not extremely strong, it's just my preference. Which would you choose? Round 2, texture and consistency. Okay, this is important. STYLER is way more watery now. Even though I added water, I know. So technically, it's already had enough moisture to help my curls form. So I didn't wet that side as much as I did the other because it didn't need it. Convenient, right? Okay, bring in Xtreme Gel. Now this one, of course, is thicker, like emotionally thick. Nah, I'm joking. It's stickier, heavier, and immediately feels stronger. You know when a gel grabs your curls instantly? Gotta be honest, both do that. Yeah, this one comes with authority, but so does the other, even diluted. So the winner of round 2, you're not gonna like this, Xtreme Gel. Just because my curls formed extremely well when I applied it, according to the consistency and texture. It doesn't mean STYLER did make my curls look good, because they did, but it just didn't do it for me. Round 3, let's apply STYLER Gel. Application, the slip is so good. My brush is gliding. The curls are forming, but something does feel different. And if you used old STYLER, you'd know it would be stickier. But Sharlene, you added water. Yes, I know. Is it fair? Yes, it is. Stick with me, and you'll never go hungry again. Which movie is this from? Comment below. My curls have smaller clumps, so it's actually easier to separate. Xtreme Gel, immediately chunkier and clumped curls. That is the hold. It's already gluing itself, but my curls love this product. They just suck it up. Like this side already looks organized. STYLER, smaller defined curls. Xtreme side, thicker, more uniform curls. They look good. This round goes to STYLER because the application was easier. I didn't need to re-wet my hair. My hands were gliding. It was just an easier application. Yay! STYLER has finally won a round. Round 4. Now this is where gels expose themselves. The flaking test. Because nothing humbles you faster than looking cute and suddenly snow starts to fall from your head. It's the worst, right? Those flakes on your shoulders. No. STYLER gel mixed with a lot of products isn't always good. However, Xtreme Gel sometimes works. STYLER generally doesn't work with other products, but on its own, and that's what we're judging this by. So it's not unfair. Xtreme Gel, it's definitely got this white residue. Why? I don't know. So maybe my hair just takes a bit of time to absorb the product. However, it disappears within seconds, really. Or if I run my finger over it, it disappears. So I think it's the absorption problem. Either not enough water, my cuticles are closed, you know how it is. STYLER also has this issue. It like clumps and sits on top of the hair and doesn't really go anywhere unless you brush it or move it with your fingers. Why? I don't know. My hair just takes time to absorb and that's okay. So this one, it's a bit hard. I'm getting clumps at the roots all the time, okay? You can say that's my application, but I'm applying both exactly the same way. Apply the product, rake it through, brush it out, rake it again. Like I'm doing the exact same thing. I want to say the flaking is worse for Xtreme Gel, but it's really the same. One is down the strands, the other is at the root. Which is worse? Probably the one at the root is worse. Okay, let's give this a tie. No one won this round, okay? You're both good. You're both bad. Whatever you want to call it. Round 5. Technique. What actually works better? To use the Denman brush or to rake it through? So I found using the Denman brush worked better with the STYLER gel, but I found raking it through worked better with Xtreme Gel. Because I'm actually lazy and I don't want to add more to my routine, I'm going to give Raking or Xtreme Gel the winner because I just don't want to do too much. Which would you pick? Round 6, the drying process. Okay, while this dries, can we talk about curly hair math? Because somehow, wash day,
1 hour later,
diffusing can be 6 working days. However, I got a new diffuser by Clara and oh my goodness, what used to take me 45 minutes now takes me 10 to 15 minutes to dry my whole head. What? So obviously STYLER gel seemed to dry faster than Xtreme. So should we give it to STYLER? Or should we rate it on how it actually looks? The Xtreme side is looking top notch. Definition is key. However, STYLER, frizz is already forming. Come on. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad, but it's noticeable in comparison of the two. So drying process goes to STYLER because it dried way faster, of course. Well done. And round 7, the last round, definition. Okay, Xtreme Gel is giving me what you call top-notch day 1 curls. Don't be fooled by the hold. The hold is strong. It's crunchy. And it's defined. There's shine. Come on. And most of all, there's definition. STYLER, what's gone wrong, my guy? You have failed me. Why? When you served me so well for years, and now you're back of the line. Come on, you can do better than this. However, it wasn't bad. It looks good. Just some frizz. My curls are soft, they're bouncy. Volume, definition is failing in some places, but it's defined in others. I found the Denman brush worked well with definition, but then some of it still frizzed up. Well, obviously, we know who won this round. Xtreme Gel. It's got to be. For me? For you? What would you say? The results. Okay, moment of truth. STYLER side first. Still defined, still decent, but where did this frizz come from? And the cast? Hardly any. Nope, the curls are soft. Now Xtreme Gel, excuse me? Look at these curls. Bigger clumps, more shine, more uniform, less frizz, and surprisingly, hard crunch. But don't worry, day 2, I just use an oil and the crunch is gone. Soft curls, day 2, soft curls all the way to day 7. There ain't no problem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the judges by Curls by Sharlene, me, of course, have reached a decision. STYLER, you were iconic. You carried us through school, college, heartbreak, but after the formula changed, it just hasn't been the same. And today's winner, by definition, shine and reduce frizz, Xtreme Gel. New curl champion is Xtreme Gel. Let's tally up the scores. Does it coincide with what I feel? Clear winner goes to Xtreme Gel. But now I need to know, are you Team STYLER or are you Team Xtreme? And don't lie just because of nostalgia. Don't say, oh, it used to be so good. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.